If you've ever wanted to create a blurry background in a picture for your YouTube videos or for your thumbnails, I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm just going to grab a presentation because it sort of simulates video size, it sort of simulates a thumbnail size. I've got a picture here in my uploads folder of our good friend Doug Hewson Whitey. What we're going to do is blur the background. The first way I'm going to show you is my favorite way. I want to get this image all the way across. That's just not possible with the dimension of this picture. So what I'm going to do is click Edit Photo. This is the new photo editor. The old photo editor has recently dropped off. So this is sort of what it looks like. Since I filmed this, there may be even some more changes to it, but this is essentially what it's going to look like. We are going to hop over from FX to Adjust to Crop and click on 16:9 because 16:9 is the ratio of this presentation. And we're going to click Done, adjust the image. For this image, for the video that I use this image in, I wanted the background to be blurry and I wanted Doug to stand out. Plus, I wanted to sort of protect the identities of the people that might be in the backgrounds. Actually, I'm going to duplicate it. By the way, you can click the three dots and click Duplicate Page, or I use Control D or Command D to duplicate the page. That way I've got two different options because the first option is my favorite, but the second option you can do on a free plan. I've clicked on the image. We're going to go to Edit Photo. Again, we're back to these top three tabs: Effects, Adjust, and Crop. We want to be on this top tab. You're going to notice on this tab there's Magic Studio, which is what we want to do first. We want to click Magic Grab. Magic Grab removes Doug from the background. So if I make Doug move, you're going to notice that it's two separate images now, this one and the one with Doug. But you're going to notice that it actually changed Vid Summit to like Nud Summit. I want to get that original photo with that Vid Summit logo in the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm still on my Uploads tab here, or you go back to your Uploads tab or wherever you have your picture. This is easier on a computer because I can left click and drag. On like a mobile app, I think there's a button called Replace that you could do the same thing as well. We're going to left click this and I'm going to drag it. And when I drag it, it drags right into the same crop and everything that I've already done. Doug, if I move him, is right on top of old Doug. We have two separate images, right? Click Edit Photo on that back picture and scroll down. We're not going to use a filter. We're going to use one of the FX effects. Shadow, autofocus. Autofocus could work as well. Why don't we try that one as the second option? We're going to try that too. Face retouch. Here it is, blur. So we're going to click blur. And I'm just going to click whole image because I want that whole image here to be blurry. We're just going to make it whatever we want. So let's go with 40 and click this arrow right here to go back. Now we have a blurry background with Doug right here. To make Doug stand out a little bit, what I could do is click Edit Photo. We're going to scroll down and click Shadow, and we can give him an outline. We could change the outline size. We could change the color. It gives it a cool sticker effect, and there's your image. That is by far my favorite way, but I want to test out this other feature, this autofocus, and see if the autofocus would work on this picture. It did not work well. There's a line across him. Let's see. Okay, there we go. When I move it all the way to the left, so that could work too, but it's not going to give you a differentiator, so you couldn't add the little outline if you want. So play around with the autofocus, which can be found in Edit Photo down here with autofocus. And then if you click on the configure settings, you can change the blur intensity and focus position. The other way to do it, the free way, would be to click Edit Photo. We're going to go down there just to blur. Again, we're going to do the whole image and click on Brush, and we're going to remove the blur. So the size of the circle is the size of the blur remover. So I'm going to increase it just so that it doesn't take as long to get the blur removed. And when you let go of it, it automatically shows you what you've done. I'm not sure if this is a feature that's available on the mobile app or not, but it is on computer. If you think this effect is cool, check out this video right here, and it's going to show you everything you need to know about additional photo effects that you can do with Canva. I'll see you next time. Bye.